Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to activate mobile payment in Dhofar. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you use Dhofar and want to activate mobile payment, what you need before activating mobile payment with Dhofar is you must be Dhofar customer. You should have an active debit or credit card with Dhofar. You should have the official Dhofar mobile banking app installed. Your smartphone should support NFC and your phone's biometric or security login should be enabled. Now in order to activate Dhofar Pay, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Dhofar application. Then use your credentials to log into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is look for an option that says Dhofar Pay or mobile payments or tap to pay or digital card option. Then simply select it and inside scroll through your link cards, swipe left or right to pick the debit card or credit card you want to enable for mobile tap to pay. Then simply tap on activate for that card. Read and accept the terms and conditions and you will receive a 4-digit OTP one-time password on your registered mobile number. Enter that code in the app to confirm activation, and once confirmed, your card will be tokenized and ready. Your phone becomes a digital payment method and you can tap at post terminals with NFC instead of using your physical card. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.